be joining us. And we would like to at the end try to have your introduction, especially with your name and from where are you, and hobbies as well, which is very quite important for the department in society as well. And like to finally take up the queries from the parents, from the students. So we look into the department. So we are located in the website. We can go to the browser ecdepartment.iitkcp.net.in, as well as we can reach it by the IIT KCP website. And we have on board about 32 faculties on board in the department ECE. So most of the pictures are, I hope, yeah, all of them are here virtually, and physically it will be coming physically as well. Right? And I would like to give an overview of the department, how what kind of research, in what kind of area of research we are doing in the different areas. So we have divided the 4 to 5 verticals, research verticals. We have 5 specializations in the department. In the microelectronics is VLSI, RF and microwave, telecommunication system and engineering, visual information and embedded system engineering, fire optics and electrical engineering. So I'll just give you an overview about the microelectronics VLSI. So we have fantastic lab facilities in this area in the department. So we have the microelectronics and MEMS lab, electronic circuits lab, basic electronics lab, of course, which we are going to do. All of the labs we are going to do anyway. So VLSI CAD, VLSI testing lab. So what you see from view graphs, it is the technology. I think we are entering into the nano world already. The technology has reached to the 45 or less than 45 nanometers. And regarding RF and microwave, now we go to the larger dimension. For the frequency goes to into the gigahertz range. So this is what we have in the department. Some of the prototypes which have been developed. If you look into the right hand corner, which is the RF and analog, I think this is the department. And we do a lot of work in the RF and microwaves, so microwave measurement. For this we have the microwave measurement lab, microwave lab and printed circuit lab. Another one is the strongest, it is one is the telecom system engineering. I think all of you know about it, how we are connected globally through internet, through communication. And space also we have communication. So we have a telecom network lab, communication system, and we have one GS School of Telecommunication, which is located in the Vikramsila complex. And the one is in fiber optics and light wave engineering. So there is a research is going on, but at the present there is no MTech program being offered in this specialization. Only we have the research in this domain. And the visual information and embedded system engineering. So the quite strong group. So what we have is the DSP lab, computer vision lab, image processing lab, microprocessor lab, biosignal processing lab. So during your entire stay, how many, I think, so that we, I say, some of you may be the 4-year program and some of you might be on the 12th degree. So definitely, and your faculty advisor is the key meeting point. Your faculty advisor, which is going to kind of help you throughout your during your stay in IIT Kharagpur, 4 years or 5 years or no. So maximum is 4. Like let's say that's a 4 or 5 year program. Right? So this is a brief survey of the labs. What we have, basic electronics and some view graphs are there. So this is the list. It's a VLSI, communication system, DSP, and so on. The quite important for you might be that we have the result computing facility lab. Those who don't have any kind of like laptop or product, so they can go to the result computing facility lab. There it is open till 10 p.m. on working days. So this is the computers as well as other than that, you can go to the computer informatics center, which is again located in Vikramsila complex. There are a lot of thermals are there, more than 600 thermals are there. And then, I think other side, we have the department ENEC Society. It organizes several events throughout the year, including your welcome, farewell, as well as like some sports events and some technical fairs. And where the other part is, we have one electronics hobby hub, which is going to be converted to kind of like an electronics hobby, the innovation lab, where we are going to make up. Right now we have the very basic facilities. It is going to be converted to probably more advanced level. Those who want to turn up their ideas into, let's suppose somebody wants to pursue some hobby and they want to have access to the lab, probably they can go to the electronics hobby hub and then they can pursue their hobby other than the official lab hour. So, most important thing for you when you are here, so the timetable, right? It's a timetable. So, if you look into the timetable, to read the timetable, so you got A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I think not all the alphabets here, but A, this is slots. So what you see, A1, A2, for example, A3, A4. So these are things, you get the theory lectures and some of the lab slots, which is you can see most of the labs are in the afternoon, or some of the labs also in the 4-2 session. So we generally with the G slot we have critical lectures also with the G slot. For example, and the course break is considered here is the NDP. So N stands for the lectures, P stands for the tutorials, and P stands for the practical. So if it is a 310, so it means 3 lectures given by the respective teacher, faculty, and 1, it means there will be 1 tutorial per week, and 0 means there is no lab associated with that particular course. So overall it gives you the 4 credits. So it can be 300, it can be 002, it can be 006. So depending, so it means if there is a digit in the last, it means it is the lab component only. If it is a 310, it is the theory and tutorials. I think this might be going. So I think you are divided already into the sections. So we have 3 must be made. So some of you might be 1 to 7 and some of you might be 8 to 14. So this is that we have seen we have taken this from the EFP of course. Okay, so there is about the slot distribution and you see the room. So like B1, B2, M116. So M116 is this room. M126 opposite. Just we go to the other end of this corridor, then you get F126, which is the Raman Auditorium, this is the Bhatnagar Auditorium, and B1, B2, B3, B4, these are located in Vikram Sula. So, repeat it once again. So, I think I would like to introduce the faculty advisor for this year is Dr. Munam sir. Details are given. Like to say a few words, then after that, like to hand over to the mic to the professor Praveen Biswal, who is the head of department.
I'm very glad to be all here. To start with, I'd like to tell you that 10 years back I was on that side, sitting in one of those roles, attending an introductory session like this. And today, I feel glad that I'm on this side, acting like a faculty, and I sincerely thank my senior faculty members and faculty for providing this opportunity to be a faculty advisor to this batch. And it is, of course, a very big responsibility because we know that we have so many talented students coming to our campus, our department, and each of you has immense potential. In future, you will be, some of you will be becoming scientists, technologists, some others will be, becoming industry leaders, professors in universities, and so on. So, all of us, all the faculty members of the department, we have a big responsibility on us to guide so many talented minds and direct their energy, direct their talents, analyze their efforts in the right direction, show you the different opportunities, give you the exposure to so many multiple opportunities that this department opens to you. So towards that end, of course, we will have many more interactions in future and regarding many different aspects of your campus life, your academic, co-curricular, and so on. We will have many more detailed discussions, but very briefly briefly on the very first day, I would just like to mention few important points regarding your acads. Of course, in IIT, the first and most important thing will be your acads, your performance in your courses, and you should not, be. I know you have been through a very rigorous preparation session for the JEE, and definitely we all congratulate all of you that you have made it so far. You have come to one of the best IITs, biggest and the grandest IIT, the oldest IIT, and one of the best departments. And now, since you have been here, now the next target is to take the maximum possible benefit out of it. Use the opportunity, use the facilities, use the guidance that you get in the previous institution, and develop yourself to get the best out of your IIT stay. Because then, of course, the most important thing is your seriousness towards your acads, and then comes striking a balance with so many co-curricular activities that you may have on campus with acads. And the co-curricular activities may involve activities in the hall, social cultural activities, technical events, social events, and so on. And apart from that, the co-curricular activities which are part of NSF, NSO, and NCT, etc. So they are of course part of your curriculum, and we are sure you will enjoy those components as well. And we will help you all along to have a balanced life on campus so that you can get the best out of it. And when you leave IIT from 4 years from now or 5 years from now, you leave it with a smile of faith, with a sense of satisfaction, with a sense of achievement. So with this short note, I would like to conclude my talk. Of course, in coming future, we'll have regular sessions, regular interactions. But for now, I'd like to invite our head of the department for giving a inaugural address from 30 minutes. Please welcome our